If you are a student, then watch this video to leverage your boring study methods into way better scientific proven ways, which will provide you greater information in less hours of work with better understanding as well. But before discussing that, you should know some basics or your foundation to apply those strategies which I have discussed in this video. They are very important, so please check it out in your foundational basics. Stay focused and eliminate distractions. To study effectively, you need to create an environment that helps you stay focused. Start by finding a quiet, clutter-free space where you won't be interrupted. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer to avoid distractions. Before you start studying, ask yourself three key questions. How long will you study? How many topics will you cover? And what do you want to achieve by the end of your study session? Set clear goals. Plan your study session. Setting clear goals for your study session is essential. Before you begin, decide how much time you will dedicate to studying and what you want to accomplish. Make sure your goals are challenging but achievable. This will help you to stay motivated and focused throughout your study session. Enhance concentration by listening to focused music. Listening to music can help you create a conducive environment for studying. Choose instrumental music or ambient sounds that won't distract you. Experiment with different genres to find what works best for you. Creating a study playlist can also help signal to your brain that it's time to focus. Manage your time by creating a study timetable. Effective time management is key to successful studying. Create a study timetable that balances challenge with achievability. Break your study sessions into smaller chunks and schedule regular breaks to prevent burnout. Experiment with different study techniques to find what works best for you. Designate a study space. Having a designated study space can help you get into the right mindset for studying. Choose a quiet, well-lit area where you can focus without distractions, and remember to have all the study material which you need while studying so that you do not have to disturb yourself for taking a small pen or your notebook. Now it comes to our best strategies that can help you every time with deeper understanding of different concepts. Break it down, divide and conquer. Breaking down complex topics into smaller, more manageable parts can make studying more approachable. Focus on mastering one piece at a time before moving on to the next. For example, if you are studying for a history exam, break each chapter into smaller sections based on specific themes or time periods. This strategy, known as chunking, leverages the brain's ability to process information more effectively in smaller increments, which will enhance your learning and also retention. Use deadlines wisely. Set achievable goals. Setting deadlines can help you motivate to stay on the track. However, it's important to set realistic and achievable deadlines to avoid unnecessary stress. Break larger tasks into smaller steps and assign specific deadlines to each. By breaking tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks and setting deadlines for completion, you create a sense of urgency that can boost productivity and focus. Try study sprints. There are different types of techniques which you can use while studying. For example, we have Pomodoro technique, in which you have to do a 25 minutes of study session and afterwards you will take a 5 minute of break. You can do as many sessions you want every day because it helps prevent mental fatigue and maintain motivation. Set a timer for predetermined period, work on the task with full concentration, then take a short break before starting the next sprint. This technique capitalizes on brain's natural ability to focus for short bursts, maximizing productivity and retention while minimizing burnout. Mix it up. Leverage interleaving. Interleaving involves alternating between different subjects or topics during study sessions. This helps strengthen connections in your brain and promote deeper understanding. For example, comparing two chapters from the same book to see how they relate to each other and reinforce your learning. By mixing up your study routine and integrating related concepts, you engage different areas of the brain, enhancing overall learning and retention. Actively Actively engage, recollect, and reflect. Actively engaging with material can help reinforce your learning. Test your understanding by asking questions about the topic or creating flashcards. Actively recalling information strengthens memory retrieval and deepens learning. Additionally, reflecting on your learning process can help identify areas for improvement as well. By actively engaging with the material through testing and reflection, you reinforce learning pathways in the brain, leading to more effective and lasting retention. Although these 5 methods will give you enough privilege to focus on your studies better, but you can join the 21-day challenge by clicking on this video, or if you want deep focus in life, then click right here. Goodbye.